What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto called Time, also known as CHRONO.TECH, which has pumped up in value quite a bit, guys. 50% up in the last 24 hours, making it just about $84. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping up in value, hitting the $100 mark, or is it going to drop back down? Is it time to invest? Is it time to sell? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, and over the next couple of months going into 2023. Is this a crypto worth investing into, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. In the last 24 hours, we can see the market has gone down just about a percentage. However, CHRONO.TECH has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours, which is quite good. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 34% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. As you can see, gaining $22 over the last day, 57%, over the week 110%, and over the month 57%. So yeah, over the week has been performing very well. Minor increases here earlier this week, and again fluctuating around the $50 mark, and right now has gone all the way up to $88, getting closer and closer to the $100 mark. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 140% in the last 24 hours, making it nearly $1.8 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money. However, I'm expecting the trading volume to surpass $2 million over the coming hours. As more and more people get to know about it, we are going to see more traders, buyers and sellers as well. If we go here, again, usually we have the trading activity and it says not enough data. We should be able to see how many buyers and sellers, but yeah, in this case we don't have that. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing CHRONO.TECH at $55. However, it is trading at a much higher value at $86, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, I just want to say a quick little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, looking very positive, going in a very steep direction. And again, that can only mean one thing: it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value. However, that is not the case. And as I've mentioned plenty of times in my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies here. So yes, I'm expecting CHRONO.TECH to start to slowly drop down in value to around the $65 to $70 mark towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. Again, it is going to be volatile. We are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles, but more or less it is likely is going to start dropping in a negative direction over the coming hours. It's not going to be a constant, drop out of nowhere. It's going to be a slow and steady drop over the coming hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? Still looking very steep, guys, going in a bullish direction. So exact same reason applies here. It is not looking too realistic. And again, yes, I am expecting an overall drop in value over the coming days as well. So towards the end of next week, we should be trading around the $60 to $65 mark is what my predictions are as of right now. However, this may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of CHRONO.TECH. But at the moment, nothing like that is predicted. I'm expecting more red candlesticks over the coming days, dropping down to about $60 to $65 towards the end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, the blue line is still looking quite bullish, looking very steep, and the orange line is just about slanting towards the positive direction. So yes, even though I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value over the coming weeks from CHRONO.TECH, so let's say towards the end of this year, early next year, so early January, I am expecting it to trade around the $90 to $95 mark. But again, we have to bear in mind that it is going to drop in value before that over the coming week next, let's say towards the end of November, early December, I'm expecting it to trade around 65 cents, sorry, not cents, dollars, and then from there on it should be able to slowly and steadily gain value, going to around the $90 $95 mark towards the end of this year and early next year as well. But again, guys, this depends on how the crypto market performs. Obviously, this year has not been too great. We've had major crashes, not just one or two, but a couple across the last 10-11 months, which has not been too great. And again, the crypto market has been more or less moving towards the negative direction. So hopefully we should be able to take a U-turn from that. As you guys can clearly see, Bitcoin is one of the main cryptos that's controlling the market, moving it in a positive and negative direction. And that itself has gone from over $60,000 to $16,000 in the space of 12 months, which is not looking too good. So hopefully 2023, guys, we should be able to hopefully hit another all-time high for Bitcoin. But again, it all depends on, you know, the financial situation the countries are in, and you know, there's a lot of different factors that have a, you know, major impact on the value of crypto. But any news that I get that can have a potential positive or negative impact on the crypto market, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone, getting closer to the green zone, the resistance target here. However, we need to hit $135 to hit that, which I'm not expecting from CHRONO.TECH anytime soon. So more or less is very likely for the rest of this year and potentially most of half of next year, should I say, we should be trading in the red zone, and from then on we should be able to slowly and steadily gain value heading into the green zone by mid next year is what my predictions are. But again, I'll keep you guys updated. If you guys want regular updates on CHRONO.TECH, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your expectations and your predictions are on CHRONO.TECH. How high or how low will this crypto go? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.